Good morning. We've been shopping again. Looks big. It was a long journey. It was 160 miles one way, and it's an exciting machine. As I probably mentioned in an earlier video, I went to a customer. They moved premises, and I had to reorganize or remove the dyno and things like that. And there was this machine standing there, and I asked if he wants to sell it, and he wanted to, so we have it. Let's take the tarp off and see what we got. Well, here it is. It's a Kearns S-type horizontal borer, and I don't know how old it is, but judging from the tag here, I couldn't find a name tag or something else, just that. We already says Division of Stable Machine Tools. That means it's probably one of the later ones. The very old ones got only Kearns and then Kearns Richard. So I don't know. Apparently it's not been used for at least 4 years. That's what the guys told me, and it will need a good look at. By the look at it, the feed has a different color, so maybe that's been changed. The hand wheel, you can see it was broken for quite some time, and apparently this one just fell off when we took it up, and basically just lightly touched it, it fell off. So we're gonna replace that, and if that's the only thing, we should be good to go. I've been told it was running last time, but that was apparently 4 years ago, or at least 4 years. We got the table, the big table. We also got the wedge, which is usually always missing. I saw that and I put it away straight away, because this thing is hard to find, and it comes with the support, which is missing quite often. Even the original work light. Yeah, it even comes with the original work light, which, yeah, still in good nick. Put an LED bulb in and everything is fine. I suspect oil levels are low. Yeah, they are. It looked like there was some coolant dropping out somewhere. This came out. You hear that? Behind that door there's a counterweight. I packed it full with slings and straps and things like that, and it's still bouncing around. But yeah, anyway. We'll see if it works. We need to make some space first, obviously. And yeah, it's the one with the facing head, which is more versatile than the one with straight spindle. The only downside is on the machine with the facing head. The maximum speed is 510 RPM. Well, it's a bit low for modern tooling, but anyway, you know, it's never going to be a production machine for me, so it does what it is, and I always wanted one. But they're not easy to find, and yeah, and if they're cheap, they're usually in poor nick, probably worse than this one. I've been told it came from a college, as they all do, and yeah, we'll see. Let's make some space in the garage. Mainly put the surface grinder and the tool grinder into the workshop, and that should give us enough space. I also got a chop saw which has to come out. In the same place there's another bandsaw sitting outside, pretty rusty, but maybe I can make a deal on that one as well. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, that's it from this one for now. I know it's pretty blurry because the sun is extremely bright at the moment. Let's go to the other side. Should be better from this side. Yeah, I mean, overall condition of the machine looks good, the ways look good. Yeah, it needs a bit of love. Yeah, it was a bit of a journey because it was night and it's a pain to drive on these roads here. Yeah, I fitted some of these tire pressure monitoring caps here on my trailer. Unfortunately, the Bluetooth power is not enough to see it in the Jeep, so it's a bit of it was a good idea, but it doesn't work. Sometimes it was reading something, but it was mainly just for indicating if there's a flat tire, because there was reading some pressure, but for sure the pressure was wrong. Anyway, let's take the straps off and find a place for it. Loading was a bit of a pain because the forklift wasn't man enough to lift it. The lift cylinder was running out of oil. It was just pumping air at the end, so we had to find some hydraulic oil, put some oil in the forklift, and it was good fun. An hour, 1 hour loading job, or half an hour loading job, ended in about 2 hours or more. Anyway, we got it here safely, and that's the most important thing. So what I do on bigger machines, I always screw down some 4x2s or something like that, and to make sure it doesn't move sideways. And you can see the straps are still tight, nothing has moved. I love that, especially if you do 160 miles or so. You want to have it, and as just as an emergency, I put to come along here, because if you step on the brakes in emergency manner, this thing may want to move forward, and to make sure it's not going to slide further over this way, I just put the winch on here. Anyway, still a bit tired, but let's get it off.